Hello, good evening mga kajokrats. I'm here now at Qatar Museum. This is the fountain outside the Qatar Museum mga kajokrats. Kasama ko si Kawalwal Roneng. Hello Kawalwal Roneng, ha? Look at the view of the seaside view. You consider the Katara Tower.
And that is also museum.
Yeah. And also here. See, look at the night view at seaside here at museum. Ting, akong i-focus gamay.
Oh, the boat there. Boat.
Yeah, this is the boat.
The boat over there.
Huh? Nang lanina yun gid ting, no?
Oh, the boat is
So, done? Go. Yun, tumatakbo si Kawalwal Roneng. Ayan po siya mga kajokrats. Ayan ting. Ito yung view mga kajokrats sa Qatar Museum. Ito yung mga fountain nila sa labas ng Qatar Museum. Yun si Kawalwal Roneng. Tumatakbo. Ayan. Diyan ka ting, oh. Ayan. Wow. Para siya nakakabuhi nga kanding. Ayan. Si Kajokrats Roneng. Si Kawalwal. Takbo ng takbo. Sige. Ayan po siya. Wow. I-post ko na. Dito na kami sa labas ng Qatar Museum. Sa labas na kami. Doon si Kawalwal Roneng. Kawalwal Roneng. Hi, hello. Andito kami nasa labas ng Qatar Museum. Ito yung view paggabi. Yeah.
We've been there. On that side.
Yes, we've been there at that side with fountain, water fountain. Now I'm here now at the entrance walking alone.
You
And this
The boat.
and this is the view of seaside, outside the seaside view of Qatar Museum.
The
Look
boat
at
is there.
that is the batil boat.
Boat.
Dira nila yung kwating ang batil ano ng sukuli ano ba?
You know, you see.
Amo na ang batil.
Like here, it's a beautiful place.
Tingin ka lang. Ha? Okay na.
The hotel is there.
That is the batik, antique tawag nila sa baruto ng mga ano, antique nga batil naman ang batil. That is the batil of Qatar. Doha Qatar mga kajukrats. Okay, kaya lang ipaikot ko. This is the view outside the Qatar Museum mga kajukrats.
This museum art. And there is also airplane. No.
Thank you. Sorry. Ano?
No problem daw.
Hindi tama ano, diri nga side naman to. Here. Look at the view outside the Qatar Museum mga kaibigan. Yes. Look at the Qatar Museum mga kaibigan. Yan ka, mana ka na dyan. Yeah. Look at the old dates tree in the entrance of the Qatar Museum. All have dates tree, the national tree of Doha, Qatar. The dates tree. This is the fountain outside in front of the entrance of the Qatar Museum. It's okay. Okay. Yes, si Kawalwal Roning nandyan. Ituro mo kung anong place yung mga ano building.
There is Batil.
Batil. Yeah, see, the Batil is still running. That is called the Batil of Doha, Qatar. Ang tawag nila dito sa mga bangka nila, Batil.
Oh, there is ship.
That is the Coast Guard ship.
Coast Guard? Ha?
Oo, Coast Guard ship na ang puti. Basta puti kay gabantay sa dagat. Siyempre, pag wala nga bantay mamaya, diri sa taas, safety, diyan sa tubig, dadaan ang mga pirata, di. Tingnan, ang ganda dito, oh. Ayan, oh.
How did you know?
Pariyo sa aton, sa Pinas.
Here, going down?
Yeah, that is going to the metro station.
Maybe going to the sea.
Hindi, that is for metro station. Come on, come on. Tingnan. Now, look at the entrance fountain of Doha State, Doha Museum, mga kajokrats.
No, all along. It's going
Where?
there.
Where?
Oh, there.
That is the
Oh, la la, it's going there
that
down.
is the seaside view
You
underground.
see, there is some people
That is
also
the basement seaside
there. So,
view.
we can go there.
No, mag-video ko na hindi kayo tapos kung tapos doon naman ta. Here, ting. Naalala ko si Paka hindi. Si Paka blao punta. Na. Kita tayo Paka na upo ka
Yeah,
ta.
over there only,
Oo.
the other side.
Hindi na tayo magatudalong din lang. See, this is the center entrance of Duha Museum mga kajokrats. Lahat ito yung pinaka-national fruit, pinaka-national tree nila, ang dates na parang nyug.
Oh,
Look at. This is the flowing for waterfalls.
then,
See, this is all the dates national tree of Qatar.
I'll.
What tiles? Nice
Here.
tiles. This is the tiles. See. And strolling there. Yeah, it's same there.
Okay, let's go here. So come up here. Come up. Because you know the car.
Okay, just go and I will follow you. By the way,
Come up because we will
it's
go there.
too cold already.
We go there.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm at your back. Everything is fine.
Look at there.
So-
Look there.
By the way, I have no time to go back in Canada or to UK because I'm planning to stay here 3 months. Then before I go in Canada and Sweden, and together kawal while running. Para man tayo nakaubos na naman ng English natin mga kajukrats. Lakad-lakad muna natin at
Oh, there is Changi there.
No, that is not Changi. That is night market, night play market. Yeah. Na gusto ko ting night play market, makabili pa ko ng ampli. Oh. Tapuson ko na niya, nailay naman. Haba na niya, okay.
Yeah, you can go.
Yeah, but
you can
another
go back
naman.
there and you can
Yeah, but
to them.
another naman round.
Go back and shoot
Ang
there.
video ang ginamin ko. Okay mga ka-Jokrats. Bye-bye. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. May mga coffee muna ako ka-Jokrats. Pagod mag bit-bit ng gimbal. Bye-bye.